Ring Chime flashing blue light. In today's video, you are going to learn how to fix Ring Chime flashing blue light. So let's get started. The process is very quick and simple. Check your Wi-Fi connection. The flashing blue light usually means your Ring Chime is in setup mode or reconnecting. Make sure your Wi-Fi is working properly and the signal is strong. Other option is power cycle. Unplug the ring chime for 10 seconds, then plug it back in to restart it. If it does not work, then go for reset the device option. If it's still flashing, press and hold the reset button on the side for 15 seconds until it restarts. This will restore it to factory settings. You can also try reconnecting Ring app. For this, open the Ring application and find devices option. Once find, click on it and you will find your chime. Then follow the steps to reconnect it to Wi-Fi. Last option is keeping close to router. During setup, keep the chime near your router and double check you are entering the correct Wi-Fi password. So that's how you will be able to fix Ring chime flashing blue light issue.